ready for a baby sound check? This one is especially dedicated to all the babies in the room. Let's hear it for our babies in the room. That's anyone 0 to 18 months in that range. And let's hear it for the rest of the kids because they're awesome too. And let's hear it for those kids called grown-ups. Parents and grandparents. Nice. Never stop being a kid, right? Alright, here we go. I wonder what this Bossa Nova Casio button sounds like. Let's find out. What if I drop a C minor chord on that? Let's see. Alright guys, you're gonna have to stand up to this one. Alright, when I say go left, we're gonna go to the left this way. In the second verse, we're gonna go right, and then in the last verse, we're gonna meet in the middle of the mosh pit, okay? Baby sound check, 1, 2, 3, 4. 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 Babies to the left now. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Babies to the left now. Here we go. This way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Babies to the left now. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Babies to the left now. Here we go. Go, 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 and dance. Baby sound check, 1, 2, 3, 4. Baby sound check, 1, 2, 3, 4. Baby sound check, 1, 2, 3, 4. Baby sound check, 1, 2, 3. To the right. Baby to the right now. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Baby to the right now. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody to the right now. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody to the right. Here we go. Go, 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 and dance. Baby sound check, 1, 2, 3, 4. Baby sound check, 1, 2, 3, 4. Baby sound check, 1, 2, 3, 4. Baby sound check, 1, 2, 3. Everybody to the middle now. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Babies to the middle now. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put your hands up high. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And everybody to the middle now. Here we go. And jump, jump, jump. Baby sound check, 1, 2, 3, 4. 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 This has been a baby sound check, 2015, almost 2016. Let's hear it for all our kitty rockers down here in the mosh pit. Woo-hoo!